Hi everyone, today we are going to see past continuous. In this first example, what was the man doing yesterday at 10:30? He was playing rugby. So, where is the past continuous in this sentence? Was playing. So, how do we form the past continuous? Simply, we conjugate the verb to be in simple past and we add ing to the verb. Second example, what was she doing yesterday at 4 o'clock? The maid was mopping the floor. So what's the past continuous here? Was mopping. So when I say she was mopping the floor, it means that yesterday at 4 o'clock she was in the middle of mopping the floor. She started before and she continued after 4 o'clock. So the action was in progress. In this example, we have a boy and girl dancing. So I ask you, what were they doing yesterday at 2 o'clock? They were dancing. So the past continuous here is were dancing. In this example, while I was reading the newspaper, my sister was watching TV. So what are the verbs in past continuous here? We have two, was reading and was watching. So in this example, we have two actions that happened at the same time. So when we have two simultaneous actions, we use both verbs in past continuous to denote that they happened at the same time. In this example, was he driving fast yesterday? My friend was not driving very fast. So the negative form is was not driving or wasn't driving. So this is the negative form. Another example of negative form of past continuous. They were lying on the beach. They weren't swimming. So the negative form is weren't swimming or were not swimming. Another verb here which is in past continuous is were lying. And as you see in this example, the verb lie normally is written with L-I-E. We change I-E into Y and we add ing to form the present participle. In this example, we have questions. So where were they going yesterday at 5 p.m.? Because it's a question, we always invert the auxiliary to be with the subject. So were they going is the past continuous. In this last example, the question is, was Muhammad climbing the mountain when I called him? So the question is, was Muhammad climbing? And in situation like this, we tend to use the past continuous when a longer action is interrupted by a short action. So the longer action was Muhammad climbing, it takes time, and it was interrupted by the phone call, which was of course very short. In this chart, we have the conjugation of the verb to eat. So we say, I was eating, you were eating, he, she, it was eating, we, you, and they were eating. In the negative, the I wasn't eating or I was not eating. You weren't eating or you were not eating. He, she, it wasn't eating or was not eating in the full form. And we, you, and they weren't eating or were not eating. In question form, just we invert the auxiliary with the subject and we add ing to the verb. So in first pronoun we say, was I eating? Were you eating? Was he, she, it eating? Were we, you, and they eating? I hope it helps you understand the past continuous. Thank you for watching.